Dear children, we have read about the fraction, type of fraction, and the question of off. Off as half of 500 equals to 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 5. It will be 250. Now we are going to read about the equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction is the two fraction when they are equal. Suppose this is a bread and this is also a bread of same type, and if we break it into 4 equal part and this we break into 8 equal part. Now take one piece, then how will you denote it? It will be denoted by 1 by 4, and in another we shed its 2 part. How many parts of this bread? This bread is breaking into 8 part, and how much part was shedded? It will be 2. Then look carefully, this is also 1/4 of bread, because 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Both are equal. This is called equivalent fraction. It means 1 by 4 is equals to 2 by 8. If you are asked to write 3 equivalent fraction, 3 equivalent fraction of 1 by 4, then you will multiply it by 2 into 2. It will be 2 by 8, and after this you can multiply it by 3. Into 3 into 3. It will be 1 3 ja 3 and 4 3 ja 12. So in this way you can write so many equivalent fraction of any fraction. Doesn't it? Are you getting my point now? Then look at this question. Write 5 equivalent fraction of the following. 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is multiplied by 2. It will be 2 2 ja 4 and 3 2 ja 6. And again 2 is multiplied by 3 and 3 is multiplied by 3. It will give 2 3 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. Again after 2 is 3, and after 3 is 4, and after 4 is 5, and after 5 is 6. It will be multiplied by continuous number and it will give 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, 10 by 15 and 12 by 18. It is the equivalent fraction. Now you can write another equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. Then you will write 2 into 2 by 5 into 2. Then 2 into 3, 5 into 3. Then 2 into 4, 5 into 4. And again 2 into 5 and 5 into 5. It will give 2 2 ja 4 by 10, 2 3 ja 6 by 15, 2 4 ja 8 by 20 and 2 5 ja 10 by 25. These are the equivalent fraction. If you simplify these fraction, you will get 2 by 5. Look here. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. It will give 2 by 5. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. It will also give 2 by 5. 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 10. It will also 2 by 5. And 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 15. It means when we simplify the equivalent fraction, we will get the actual given fraction. So you can find the you can find so many equivalent fraction by multiplying the fraction by itself. Now come to another, write the missing number. Here are the fraction. 4 by 6 equals to dash by 24. You will find the numerator of this fraction. So first you have to find the relationship between these number 6 into 6 and 24. It means how 6 will multiply it to find the 24. 6 into 4 equals to 24. Then you have to multiply it 4 by 4 and it will give you 16. It means the required number is 16. It means this will be 16 by 24. Now another 3 by 8 equals to dash by 40. Then you have to find the relationship between this 8 into 5. 8 5 ja 40. Then you have to multiply it 3 by 5. This will 3 5 ja 15. It means required number will be 15. Now this is for today. We will meet the next time with another type of question related to the parts and whole. Thank you.